Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno 3, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up the settings app right here and then scroll all the way down to additional settings, and at the bottom you should see backup and reset, and from here erase all data, factory reset. And here we have a bunch of different ways you can reset your device. So reset system settings only, erase downloaded apps and their data, erase all data. Well, we'll do just that. It will be a full clear of the entire device. Well, the other two will leave still some content on it. So let's go with erase all data, and once more. And let's wait for the process to begin. Now this will take probably a couple of minutes, but once it's finished, we should be done completed with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.